Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful property featuring 7 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. It is located at Grove Heights in Manchester and sits on quarter acre of land. The building size is approximately 5,057 square feet. All the rooms are good sized, some with double aspect windows. The house is fully grilled. The dining room comfortable holds a dining table and 6 chairs. Leading up to the house is a driveway with parking. There is a wraparound lawn and a double garage. The property is situated close to Mandeville town, where you will find schools, restaurants, plazas, supermarkets, and banks. The climate in Mandeville is perfect with a year round cool breeze that will keep you cool on the hottest of days. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million or US $439,500 to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.